Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to post a local timestamp on Discord in just a few quick steps. Click the message box at the bottom of your screen and type out a timestamp code, open angle bracket, T:, a Unix timestamp number, a format letter, then closing angle bracket. For this example I'm using 17987611600 with format letter F. Press enter to send it. The message appears as a readable date and time, Friday, January 1st, 2027 at 8:00 a.m., automatically converted to each viewer's local time zone. The format letter at the end controls how the timestamp displays. F gives you the full date and time, R shows a relative countdown like in 3 days, lowercase t shows just the time, and uppercase T adds seconds. You can get a Unix timestamp for any date by searching Unix timestamp converter. Just paste in your date and copy the 10-digit number it gives you. If your timestamp isn't converting properly, double-check you've got the angle brackets facing the right way and that there are no spaces inside the code. You can edit the message afterwards if you need to change the timestamp. Just right-click it, select Edit Message, and fix the code. And that's how to post a local timestamp on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.